Now we're going to talk about editing in VI. And the first command we see here is U for undo, and we'll be using that a lot in this video. So let's start out by talking about delete. Now delete is similar to cut. You can think of whenever you delete a character, a word, a line, that it's being put somewhere on a clipboard. So first thing we're going to do here is we're going to look at X, which deletes a single character. Hit U to undo that. We can delete a word with DW. U to undo. We can delete to the end of the line with capital D. U to undo. And we can delete an entire line with DD. And I'll hit U to undo. So once some text has been deleted, you can think of that text as being put in storage somewhere, in a buffer or a clipboard, however you want to think of it. And then we can use it later with put or paste. So here, if I delete the T character, I can use P to paste it or put it. I can hit X, use uppercase P to paste it before the cursor. So lowercase p you can think of as after and uppercase P before. So let's say we did a DD where we deleted the entire line. I'll go up to line 11 here. If I do a capital P, it will paste before the current line. Do a DD again. Lowercase p will put it after the current position. Now this works for deleting a word. So if I say DW to delete a word, if I go to the end of this current word and hit lowercase p, it pastes it after the current cursor position. U to undo, I can go back to the beginning of that word. Capital P will paste before. Yank works similar to delete, only we're copying, not deleting. So here if I do a YW, I just yanked or copied the word. I can move somewhere else. And so here I can paste it before with a capital P. I'll undo. I can go down to the next line and say I go to the end, and I can paste after with a lowercase p. And I'll undo that. Now I can yank an entire line with YY. Let's see, let me move down a little bit and I'll do a P to paste after. I'll undo. Do a capital P to paste before. And U to undo. Now the last item here is change. So let's say we want to change this letter R to a capital R. Well, we use R for replace. And that's only for a single character. So R, then capital R. I could say I want to replace that with a T. So I would say RT. And let's put it back to the original lowercase r with RR. Now we can change a word with CW. And now I can start typing some new text. So I'll just say new text. Hit escape to finish that edit. I can hit U to undo. We can change to the end of the line with a capital C. And I can type some text. Escape to finish the edit. U to undo. So what this is doing is it's replacing what you select with new text. So if I say I only want to replace a word with CW, I can just use the word in, and it replaces the word change with my new text. So that new text can be shorter or longer, it doesn't matter, it just replaces the selected text. I'll hit U to undo. So I hope that was clear. Okay, just a couple other commands here. We've got the capital S, which will allow you to change the entire line. You can think of it as substitute the entire line. So capital S removes the entire line, leaves you in insert mode, and you can start adding text. Escape, U to undo. S, lowercase s, is similar to R, except that after you replace or substitute the character, it leaves you in insert mode. So if I say SY, I can continue typing. I'm still in insert mode. Escape, undo. So if I did an RY for replace, I'm not in insert mode. So that's the difference between R and S. Let me undo that. Okay, in the next video, we're going to talk about using a count with our commands to speed up our movement and our edits.